Welcome back to eCreativeAid. There are some common signs of stress, and one usually does not take these signs seriously in the midst of everyday life. Weight fluctuations are one of the most common signs, although eating normally, and here you have to take more time to rest and relax and try to get rid of stress. Skin problems also indicate stress, including pimples, redness, or dry skin. With constant feeling of fatigue, you should review your lifestyle and try to enjoy peace and quiet, as tension and stress affect the immune system, making you more susceptible to disease. If you're lacking focus in your day-to-day life or work, it is an important indicator of stress. In addition, difficulty sleeping at night is a common indicator, or quiet sleep is a sign of good health. In addition to hair loss, the lack of desire for sexual activity is also an important sign of stress, as well as symptoms of excessive stress such as irregular heartbeat with severe chest pain, and here you should consult a specialist immediately if these symptoms occur regularly or increase with time. And this is it. Thank you for watching, and if you liked the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos.